Hi everybody, welcome back to Junior Lab Coats, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a CD hovercraft. So what you're going to need is a pop-top cap. You can find these on water bottles or on dish soap bottles. I actually found mine on an old shampoo bottle. A balloon, an old CD that you don't care about anymore, and a hot glue gun. Let's get started. So first, what you're going to do is take your CD and your pop-top cap and your glue gun, and you're going to glue the pop-top cap to the CD. And what's important is that you align the opening of the pop-top cap with the hole in the middle of the CD. Be careful when using the hot glue gun, and don't worry if the glue gets a little messy. Then blow up your balloon. I think that's a pretty good size. Making sure not to let any of the air out, carefully put the opening of your balloon over the top of your cap. Then find a flat and smooth surface, like a hardwood floor, for example, and then simply open your cap, and then it should start going. Try pushing it along. Now, you might be wondering, why did that work? What was happening? When you opened the cap, the balloon started letting out air, which created an air cushion. The air cushion allowed for reduced friction, so CD could simply float or glide across the floor. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to contact us. We love hearing from you, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye!